As electronics manufacturing evolves, Fuji continues its legacy of innovation with precision equipment and smart factory solutions trusted worldwide, delivering engineering excellence and dependable performance that empower manufacturers in more than 60 countries around the world. Fuji customers have always risen to the challenge of optimizing production while meeting the highest quality standards. In recent years, that meant automating assembly with world-class Fuji pick-and-place machines, setting the benchmark for speed and precision. Today, the challenge remains, but now it's not just about speed or precision. It's about a shortage of expert talent available to make critical decisions in real time. Manufacturers have invested in data platforms and dashboards hoping to close that gap. But dashboards alone aren't enough. Insight without action leaves potential untapped. That's why Fuji is partnering with Arch Systems to bring AI-powered guidance directly to Fuji SMT lines worldwide. Together, we help manufacturers move from reactive troubleshooting to proactive performance. Arch AI integrates directly with Fuji SMT lines, delivering agents trained in Fuji machine behavior and expert diagnostics. These AI agents analyze real-time Fuji machine data to detect production risks before they escalate. Tuned specifically for Fuji SMT environments, the AI activates when production performance falters, before engineers even realize there's an issue. From preventing downtime to minimizing scrap, Fuji and Arch deliver smart guidance that drives measurable results when it matters most. Instead of more data, Fuji and Arch deliver smarter decisions, built from manufacturing experience and scaled by AI. Operators, engineers, and Fuji line managers receive clear, actionable recommendations to resolve problems and maintain efficiency. For example, if a pick-and-place machine shows pickup errors, AI can flag the issue instantly and provide clear, corrective actions. The AI highlights root causes, suppresses false alarms, and prioritizes actions based on production impact. And because it continuously learns, AI gets smarter with every line, every shift, every product. With this partnership, Fuji customers can scale expert-level decision-making across their entire operation. Whether labeling downtime reasons or prioritizing maintenance, Fuji and Arch enable faster troubleshooting and continuous improvement. With Fuji and Arch, data becomes real-time intelligence, and intelligence becomes action. That's the strength of partnership, turning tomorrow's capabilities into today's reality. Fuji and Arch, where manufacturing excellence meets intelligent action.